As Andy developed his new railroad scheme, he had 2 prototypes he loved. Plus, he kept thinking he wanted to do some proto-freelancing, focusing on the Nashville area.
After the fire, I had to buy all my stuff again. And I ended up with some Rock Island equipment. And I always loved the Rock Island. So I got these RS3s, and I thought, geez, I'd really like to keep them as RS3s, Rock Island, I mean, and build upon them. I started buying more Rock Island equipment and that. But also my favorite railroad, and I had a lot of steam engines for it, was the B&O. I had a lot of brass engines, which I lost. Well, I decided I wasn't going to go back to the brass, because brass a lot of times was hard to keep going and that. But I really did like the B&O paint scheme, the railroad in general. So those were the 2 railroads I wanted. The B&O went as far as Louisville. I didn't want Chicago or St. Louis. Those are too big. But the B&O went as far as Louisville, and the Rock Island went as far as Memphis. But I just brought them into Nashville, and they used trackage running rights on Nashville Road trackage. And Nashville Road is my own railroad, which runs Great Lakes to the Gulf. And that allows me north-south traffic, east-west traffic, and a lot of interchange in around Nashville. I used a lot of modeler's license.